What's up, guys? Today we are going on a hike. Not just me, but the girlfriend back there. Say hello.
Hi.
We're going to go on this hike for the first time. We don't know where we're going. We're told there could be bears, there's a waterfall, so we're going and you guys are going along as well. So let's go. Well, that looks safe.
Yeah, really.
We follow the blue. Let's go.
Cool.
Never been here before. There's a bridge. Got something to tell you guys. We're not at Laurel Run Park hiking. We're actually in Jurassic Park. Cue the music. It's just us, me and her. Guys, if anything happens to me, she did it.
Really?
She pushed me in front of a bear or something.
Yeah, save myself.
You guys hear that?
Yeah.
No more magic. It's all her fault. There's a weird bug. We also got these weird bracelets.
Yeah.
Mine's blue because it matches.
Mine's yellow.
Hers is yellow. They're like mosquito repellent bracelets. They're probably just full of bullshit, but I'm just saying, you know, we'll see if they work, I guess. What? Huh?
It goes uphill.
Oh no.
Yeah.
She said it goes uphill. This is like day 3, no food, no water. Guys, send Dexa cards for help. Please. I mean it. To my mama, I love you. To my papa, I love you. I just don't think I can make it any more.
Up more.
I don't know why I got a girlfriend in the first place. This is the shit she makes me do. Is my hat sweating?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lord. Day 60. We're still alive. We made it.
Yeah.
So pretty. This place is gorgeous, man. I walked out there to the water and like it came up to my shorts and I almost like fell in like 100 times, but like this place is awesome. I really enjoy it, and we're gonna try to take some pictures right now. There's Nicole way over there. God, she's so cute. We're here at the Laurel Run's waterfall. There's no one else I'd rather spend it with than her. Brownie points, guys. It's all about brownie points. That's all it is, right?
You're so sweet.
I'm so sweet, I'll give you diabetes.
Yeah, I already have diabetes.
Abort mission.